Hai korang, jom kita make up. Okay, sebelum tu kita mestilah guna pakai produk Dr. Situna. Okay, so kita pakai Calendula lah. So for my skin, dia kena pakai Calendula. Kita pakai moisturizer dia, Dr. Situna Calendula. And then I suka sangat pakai CC cream ni. Dia macam light je, dia tak terlalu tebal.
It's cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the sake of our sides. Because I want you to like that. The only reason I came through the night is because I really like you. And I cannot hide it. Went through a lot for your mind then. The nicest the close of your touches. Why you just tell me that you feel like I do? Try me kisses super smooth. Tell me I'm that baby. Tell me you like me.
Dah siap. Okay, inilah rutin harian. Ya, sebelum nak pergi bekerja. Sebelum nak pergi kerja. Bye korang. Jumpa next video, okay?